Have you ever tried pizza made in the traditional way, baked using a wood fire? With a distinct aroma and flavor compared to oven baking, it's no wonder that wood-fired pizza entrepreneurs are willing to go the extra mile to use traditional methods for preparing pizza as a preferred dish for their customers. Pizza Sungai Klang, a wood-fired pizza spot, is located in Kampung Padang Jawa, Shah Alam. To reach this destination, you can use the Waze application and search for Pizza Sungai Klang, as the route to the location is slightly further in from Padang Jawa. Currently, Pizza Sungai Klang operates from Tuesday to Sunday and is closed every Monday.
Assalamualaikum. Kedai kita beroperasi Selasa sampai hari Ahad, Isnin je tutup. Hari Selasa sampai hari Khamis kita 9 pagi sampai pukul 6 petang. Kalau Jumaat sampai hari Ahad kita 9 pagi sampai 10 malam, insya-Allah. Location kita Pizza Sungai Klang, Jalan Kundang 2, Padang Jawa. Boleh Waze Pizza Sungai Klang ataupun Sian Kuih. Okey, terima kasih.
With its traditional preparation method that avoids using machines, this pizza offers an incredibly delicious taste for pizza lovers. Once the pizza is placed into the charcoal oven, the task of monitoring and ensuring it doesn't burn begins. The preparation process is more complex compared to modern methods, as the wood must be burned until it turns into charcoal first. Once the pizza is placed in the charcoal oven, a worker must continuously monitor it throughout the cooking process. The baking process for this pizza takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes, and the worker must adjust the pizza's position to ensure it cooks evenly and doesn't burn. The worker constantly ensures the pizza is fully cooked without getting burnt. When the pizza is fully cooked, it is then removed from the oven to be sliced. Typically, this size of pizza is cut into 6 pieces.
Dah sampai ya. Sudah rasa, terima kasih.